Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: unlocked phone, network connection, and the latest Google Pay app. Open Google Pay and sign in if you are not already logged in. Once signed in, give the app permission to send notifications when prompted. This allows transaction alerts to appear. Make sure system notification access is allowed for Google Pay in settings. Do this now so the app can show banners, sounds, and lock screen messages without interruption. Next, tap Settings inside Google Pay and find Notifications. You want to choose what types of alerts matter. Enable transaction and security alerts first, because these are primary. For offers and rewards, toggle separately, turn on sound, or choose silent depending on your preference. Then inspect each linked card or bank account under Payment Methods and confirm that alerts are enabled per card. This fine-grained control ensures you get relevant. Finally, test your setup by making a small payment or requesting a receipt so a notification is generated. If you do not see the alert, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and battery optimization is not blocking Google Pay. Also check app permissions and notification categories once more. If problems persist, clear cache, sign out and sign back in, or reinstall the app. These steps reset notification hooks. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the phone after changes to ensure system services reload properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.